Today we have a very nicely restored 356 1600S. It is one of my favorites. All 356s are one of my favorites because they always put a smile on your face. So let's take it for a ride and discuss it from inside where it is nice and warm. Come on. Okay. 356 Porsche. So we start. They're a hell of a lot of fun. They do everything right. All right, well, operating temperatures. She is. Maybe she'll give us a thumbs up. She gave us the thumbs up. Woohoo! These 356s are at their best. They are exceptionally fun to drive on the back roads. Did I say that all New Yorkers should give their licenses back? Because I think they should. They're oblivious. Anyway, so back to these wonderful curvaceous roads. This is, in fact, where they shine. Although they are great cruising cars as well. I drove a 356 daily in nice weather for many years. So, driving around suburbia, you can see how nimble and exciting the 356 is. I'm having a really good time driving the 356 one. Oh, thank you. That's another driver. Give your license back. Please give your license back. They can stop wherever they'd like. I hope you enjoyed the back roads of Melville. It's a lovely area.
Oh, so lovely.
Almost as if you know what's happening. They're alive.
With what, Tom?
The hills are alive.
With what?
It's the sound of music. As we always say, what can we possibly say about Porsches? Because they do everything right, no matter what they are, what model they are. And it's more about the condition. And this one is superb throughout. Our road for our flybys. We love Jason. I mean, Jason is yeah, that's right, Jason. Get out of the car.
Bye-bye.
Made a driver change here, so none other than Jason Post is driving and making an appearance to tell us his feelings of this 356.
Well, I spent a little time outside. I really enjoyed it. We're gonna have some foliage soon, and I really liked seeing this 356 cruise down the road.
Watch this. I'm gonna do what he always does.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about the 356? You haven't had a lot of time behind the wheel of them.
I enjoy driving it. I think it has great road feel. It's comfortable. It has plenty of power. I like the transmission.
You see what he said there? It's got plenty of power. That was a little salesmanship. It does not have a lot of power at all. Yet, it has just enough to really enjoy downtown on the highway. You can carry luggage, you can carry kids in the back. a third person. Guys on Zoroto, you'll have to give your license back as well.
Can I make a left here?
Well, I guess you can make a left.
Okay.
So,
All right.
You're on Route 110 if you've ever been to Long Island. There, you can look and see the sights.
Not a lot of foliage here.
Oh.
A lot of buildings. If that's your thing. Architecture.
And look, it idles smooth.
Shupa schmoo.
Showing you how it is in traffic.
And I can just say, as somebody who's not spent a lot of time behind the wheel of a 356, I feel perfectly at home.
You know that's the first thing you have to make sure. The client is always happy in the seat. We look at these cars based on condition and structure because it is so hard to find exceptionally good ones. And as you can see, it has exceptional road manners. It's supposed to like a world tour with him driving.
What else, Tom? What else can we say about this 356?
You to say that the temperatures and pressures are exceptional. How do you know that the pressures are great? Well, you don't because it doesn't have a pressure gauge. You don't because it doesn't have a pressure gauge. It only has a temperature gauge.
Can we say from observation?
I feel as though we're going to have to put this video past several people to see if it's politically correct in any way before it goes live.
We call it quality control.
Quality control?
Yeah.
Wait, here's another one. I've never wanted to get back to the dealership faster in my life.
That wasn't me. My turn indicator is on.
What's this?
Yeah. Heading back to the homestead. I had a great time driving this 356 with Tom. Thank you for watching our video. I really enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. Ciao.